Fancy a restaurant-quality meal that's ready in a flash? This 5-minute honey garlic butter shrimp recipe is the answer to your dinner dilemmas. It's incredibly easy to make. And the taste? Let's just say it's bursting with flavor. We're talking juicy shrimp coated in a sticky, sweet, and savory sauce. Plus, it's so fast you can whip it up on the busiest of weeknights. Get ready for a culinary adventure that takes just 5 minutes. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. This is a crucial step that sets the foundation for our dish. Having everything ready and within reach will make the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need some plump, juicy shrimp, of course. Fresh shrimp are the star of this dish, bringing a delightful texture and flavor. Make sure they are deveined and cleaned properly. Then, grab some butter. It adds richness and helps create that beautiful caramelized coating. Butter not only enhances the flavor but also gives a lovely golden color to the shrimp as they cook. Garlic is next. It brings a wonderful aroma and a little bit of zing. Freshly minced garlic will infuse the dish with its robust flavor, making every bite irresistible. Honey will lend its natural sweetness and help the shrimp caramelize to perfection. The honey's sticky texture helps to create a beautiful glaze that clings to the shrimp. A splash of soy sauce adds that savory depth known as umami. This ingredient balances the sweetness of the honey and brings a rich, complex flavor to the dish. Finally, a squeeze of lemon juice will brighten everything up, adding a fresh, tangy note that cuts through the richness of the butter and honey. And some black pepper and chopped green onions will add the finishing touches. The pepper adds a hint of spice, while the green onions provide a fresh, crisp contrast. Now let's get cooking. First, melt your butter in a pan over medium heat. Once it's bubbly, toss in the minced garlic and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds. Don't let it burn. Next, add your shrimp to the pan. Make sure they're in a single layer so they cook evenly. Now pour in the honey, soy sauce, and a pinch of black pepper. Give everything a good stir. Caramelized goodness, packed with umami. Here's where the magic happens. We start with fresh, succulent shrimp, seasoned to perfection. The key to this dish is the balance of flavors and the technique of caramelization. Cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side, allowing them to turn a beautiful golden brown. This step is crucial as it locks in the juices and gives the shrimp a delightful texture. That's the honey working its caramelization magic. The natural sugars in the honey help to create a rich, sticky glaze that envelops each piece of shrimp. You'll see a lovely glaze coating the shrimp. This glaze not only adds a beautiful sheen, but also intensifies the umami flavor, making each bite a burst of deliciousness. As the shrimp cook, the sauce will thicken slightly, clinging to them and infusing them with incredible flavor. The thickened sauce ensures that every morsel is packed with taste. The combination of sweet honey, salty soy sauce, and fragrant garlic creates a symphony of taste that's simply irresistible. Each ingredient plays its part in creating a harmonious blend of flavors. The lemon juice you add at the end will brighten up all the flavors. It adds a zesty finish that cuts through the richness and brings a refreshing balance to the dish. Serving up your shrimp masterpiece. And there you have it. Your 5-minute honey garlic butter shrimp is ready to be devoured. Serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy white rice or with a side of steamed vegetables. Don't forget to spoon that incredible sauce all over everything. This dish is perfect for a quick and satisfying weeknight dinner, but it's also fancy enough to impress your guests at your next dinner party. The best part? You can say you whipped it up in just 5 minutes. Enjoy! The combination of honey, garlic, and butter creates a mouth-watering glaze that coats each shrimp perfectly. As the shrimp cooks, it absorbs all those delicious flavors, making every bite a burst of savory goodness. Using fresh ingredients is key to achieving that vibrant taste. Marinating the shrimp for just a few minutes can enhance the flavors even more. Presentation is everything, so take a moment to arrange your shrimp beautifully on the plate. And now it's time to dig in and enjoy your culinary creation. Bon appétit!